In this video, we're asked to solve a quadratic by factorising. So I know this is going to start like this and be equal to 0. Right, so I'm looking for numbers what times together to make 35, but have a difference of 2. So it looks like this one is going to be 5 and a 7. Right, now the only way I'll get a negative 35 is if one is positive and one is negative. I want it to be, so they've got to add together to make the term in the middle. So I want it to be a positive 2y. So it's going to be plus 7, take away 5. Okay, so I've got it factorised, and then the last bit is to go on and solve. So that means that either y take away 5 is equal to 0, so y would be equal to 5, or y plus 7 is equal to 0, which means y would be equal to negative 7. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.